Hey guys, welcome to another installment of Fifi's Faves. So today I want to talk to you guys about this combination that I use when I can't sleep, which unfortunately happens more often than not. But I really enjoy this and it helps me to kind of wind down and relax. There's a lot of lavender all throughout this, but there's just some sweetness that just kind of helps me. So I wanted to share it. So in the shower, I use Pastel Skies shower gel from Bath and Body Works, and that has soft cloud berries, pink spun sugar, and coconut musk. And then when I get out of the shower, I lather myself in our Noir by Fifi body butter Tranquil Metals, and that just has lavender and ylang ylang. And then I go and I top it off with sea salt and lavender body mist from Bath and Body Works, and it says a calming coastal blend of fresh sea salt, blooming lavender, and sun-drenched sands. And then I add just a little bit. I don't like add a lot of fresh cream, warm cashmere by Philosophy. And then the notes for that are vanilla, cashmere wood, sandalwood, coconut, and musk. And when I tell you, this just really relaxes me and helps me to just kind of calm my mind and be able to actually go to sleep. So just wanted to share this with you guys in case someone out there is having trouble sleeping. This lavender vanilla, ylang ylang combination with a little sweetness just really works for me and I love it. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. We will see you in our next Fifi's favorite, and don't forget to check out the playlist for other faves as well as our other playlist on the channel. Thanks so much. See you guys next time. Bye.